I love you, kuya.
What? Help Tia? Help me? Help me?
No. I love you, kuya.
I love you too.
You bait?
Yes.
I love you, kuya.
I love you too. Ano yun?
I love you, kuya.
I love you too.
Do you love me, kuya?
Yes.
Okay. Can you hug me, please?
Ah!
I love you, kuya.
Love you too. What? What na?
I love you.
Help me?
I love kuya.
Help me?
No. I love kuya. Ayoko na may nagaiyak. Ayoko may nagaiyak. Ayoko nang iyakin. Ayoko na may nagaiyak. Hindi ko love yun. I don't love baby umiiyak. I love baby strong, not crying.
Opo.
You lay down lang. What's that, kuya? I'm scared. Kuya, what's that? I'm scared, kuya.
Opo.
No, I don't like it. I'm scared, kuya. Please hug me.
Mama.
I'm scared, kuya. Please hug me, please.
Mama.
Kuya, hug me. I'm scared, kuya. I love you,
I
kuya.
love you too.
Do you love me?
Yes.
Okay. Do you hug me, kuya?
Yes.
I love you, kuya.
I love you too.
I miss you. I kiss you. I hug you. I love you,
I
kuya.
love you too.
I love you. You bait ba?
Yes.
Oh, talaga. I want baby bait. Not crying. Nagasilip-silip. I love you, kuya. I love you. Hug me! I love you, eh. Okay.
Nakaligo na yun.
Kuya, come here na. Hug me, please.
Yeah.
Do you love me, Kuya?
Yeah.
Okay.
Ang bunga ako natakot.
Let's tulog na. Close your eyes, Kuya.
Okay.
Oh, stop! This is my baby. No, stop it! Ouchie, Kuya!
Sakitan ako eh.
What?
Yape.
Iyo kulit eh.
You punch me.
You always punch, Kuya. You're so tapang.
Yummy.
You're not saying sorry to me. You say sorry first.
Sorry. Sorry, Ma.
What?
Sorry.
Do you love me?
Yes. Oh.
Wait.
No.
Are you sure? Do you love Mama?
Yes.
Eh, why you fighting with Kuya, oh? Like that.
Nagalar ako eh.
Why you...
Nagaganon.
Stop it. I don't like that.
Bukas binuksan niya yung higaan ni Lucas.
Do you love me? Do you love me, baby?
Yes.
Me too. I love you so much.
Okay.
No, I don't like kiss because you fight Kuya. Why?
Really?
You need kiss?
Yes.
I love you. You say sorry na?
Yes.
Where? I can hear again. Can I hear your story first?
Yes.
Oh, you say it.
Sorry.
Okay. I love you.
Love you.